Hello mga trops! For today's video, itutour namin kayo sa bakanting bahay para makita nyo ang model house. Kasama ko nga pala ang mga magaganda at cute ng mga batang ito. Smile! Thank you sa pagsama and then, let's go! Yan, at itutour ko na po kayo sa loob ng model house. Let's go! Smile!
I love you for so long. Sometimes it's hard to bear, but after all this time, I hope you wait and say, are you everywhere? Are you everywhere in there? The moment always and forever. No, I can't quit you 'cause
Ito na po ang model house. Let's go! Tuloy tayo! Wow! Maddie! Hello Maddie! Hello Sophie! Hi! Start na! Hindi daw siya kita. So,
you try so hard when you play ball with your friends. I like the way you hit the notes in every song you're shining. I love the little things like when you're
wala pang nakatira dito at makikita nyo malawak ang capacity. This is the sink. May CR dito. Bathroom. Nakalak. Pero mamaya. Ito, meron ding space dito. Let's go. So, upstairs. Okay, this is the master's bedroom. Napakalawak. Very comfortable. May maliit na terrace. Let's go to the second. Now let's go to the second room. May malaking bintana. Okay na rin siyang kwarto. Nakaganda. Now let's go to the third room. It's so lawak and it's so pretty. Why you love chicken nuggets? Thank you, Mama! Now, may CR naman dito. Another bathroom. May shower. Inaayos pa yan. Wala pang tubig. Wala pang nakatira. Okay? Ingat, ingat, Maddie. Hawa.
I like the way you try so hard when you play ball with your friends. brings me down. You're the cure, my love. In a bad rainy day, you take all the worries away. Love you every minute, every second. Love you everywhere in any moment. Always and forever, I know I can't quit you, 'cause baby, you're the one. I don't know hell in a world devoid of light. You bring clarity in your eyes. I see the light, my future. Always and forever, I know I can't let you go. I'm in love with you, and now you know. I'm in love with you, and now you know.
So that's it. Sana nagustuhan nyo at meron kayong natutunan. Nakaka-inspired yung mga ganitong bahay. Ang sarap magtrabaho para kumita at magkaroon ng ganitong bahay. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Bye!